name of this sound is B, okay, the capital B and lowercase b, but, okay, the sound this letter makes is the B sound, B, B, B. Okay, your lips start close together, B, okay, then they open up. Okay, make sure you're saying the sounds with me at home, please, okay, B. Okay, so the first word with the B sound today is a nice simple one, 3 letters, okay, which is bad. B, A, D. Bad. B, A, D. Bad. B, A, D. Bad. That is bad, you could say. Okay? Bad. Okay, super. Okay, our next one we have, a slightly bigger word we have is brown. B, br, ow, brown. B, br, ow, brown. Okay, we got 2 consonant sounds here and we want to say them quickly together. Okay, they're adjacent consonants, which means they are consonant sounds which are close together, so we need to say them and blend them quickly. So b, r, kind of br, okay, it makes a br sound. Br, ow, brown. The colour brown, okay, you could say in a sentence, br, ow, brown, okay. So you've got adjacent consonant br, digraph ow, and a single letter sound, brown. Okay, super. Next one we have, and the last one we have, is bounce, okay? B, ow, s, bounce. B, ow, s, bounce, okay? I will bounce the ball, could be a sentence, okay? B, ow, s, bounce, okay? So we've got the ow digraph here, and we've got the s digraph here, which usually goes at the end of words. So k and e together make a s sound, usually at the end of words, okay? So how many letters does bounce have, okay? It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 letters. How many sounds? B, ow, s. 1, 2, 3, 4, okay? 4 sounds. 6 letters, 4 sounds for bounce, okay? So, very good, guys. Let's go over them all again together. We've got b, bad, b, a, d, bad, okay? Brown, br, ow, brown, okay? Bounce, b, ow, s, bounce. Okay, thank you very much for watching today. Please remember to like the video and subscribe as well. It would be great help growing the channel. Also, please share the video and leave a comment as well. Thanks again.